Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, I've had a life-changing event happen by searching the web and coming across this site, Pop On Veneers. And I'm sure you've probably seen their commercials on Facebook or something. And so I decided I was going to do it. I figured, hey, I've got a couple missing teeth, you know, that really had kind of depressed me, didn't want to be seen in public. It's not a good feeling to lose your teeth. And so I found them, and for the price that they do, it's still the best price that you can find on the internet. And you always say you get what you pay for, and don't let the $650 price scare you away, because these are worth $1,500 in my opinion, honestly. So it was a very easy setup. I purchased it. They sent me this box right here. It came within 2 days, literally, right here. And it's a very simple procedure. You get a bag like this, and it has a couple trays. I think it was 3 trays. Trays look like this. And the molding solutions look like this. So there's a blue and a white. And they give you some gloves, they give you a couple other little things so that you can cut it and such not. So what you do is you mix these two together, 1 and 2, until they're a equal color. Once they're an equal color, you roll it into a log, cut it in half, put the first log right on here, second log on here, put that bad boy in your mouth, let it go, and then massage the lips like you just saw me doing. That's very important, because when you massage the lips while it's in there, it allows the mold to actually see the gum line, where the gum line is, so that they can get the teeth to go directly where they need to be. So I sent that back. It took me a couple days to do the impression. I have a couple broken teeth in my mouth I was just worried about, and again, very depressing feeling not having your teeth, and I hated it. Normally I don't do this, but because this company has helped me and I want to see it help others, I'm going to let you see my teeth. So it only took, they said it would take 2 weeks. I think it took less than 5 days. I mean, very, very fast. Here's the mold that I made, that I sent to them. I had one extra because I messed up on this one, where I could see that one tooth didn't have any gum line on it, and I just wanted it to be right for them. And they gave you a set to do, I think, 3 tries. But then they send you this box here, and this box here comes with a little round blue toe. I don't have it on me, I'm sorry. And in that toe is your they clip in good. Your veneers. And there we go. This right here has been, like I said, amazing. These are my teeth. Missing a couple. And I used to have always really nice teeth. Missing one there, missing one there. Boys will be boys. Maybe got into a couple altercations and maybe lost a couple teeth. Missing one over here. So yeah, I was not liking going in public, allowing people to see this. I mean, that's horrible. That's horrible. Sorry, I need a drink. A little bit of dry mouth there, sorry. So these came, I mean, they're identical to my teeth. These are my molds. And I can show you, they even sent me back the impression that they used to make these molds, which are right here, these little. And I do believe they keep it on file too, in case something happens. So here's a better look at, my teeth on the inside, this being the top. So I'm missing a tooth there, I've got a broken tooth, a little bit of a broken tooth back here. Over here I'm missing a tooth, and then you got this bottom one here, missing a tooth there, and have a broken one back there. So again, I was a little worried that I wasn't going to be able to get it, because I had a couple of problems. But to my surprise, they sent me a letter stating that my impressions came out perfect the first time, Little did they know I did it twice because I did mess up. But I watched a how-to video on how to do it. They have plenty of them out there. And I know there's a couple other companies, I think it's like Smile or something or whatnot, but I'm telling you right now, Pop On Veneers, the service you get with these guys, the respect you get from these guys, you know, they talk to you like you are, you know, one of their best friends, and they want to help you, and they do help you. And I'm going to tell you, on Facebook, I have been ripped off a couple times now where I've ordered products and not got what I was supposed to. I ordered a mystery shoe box, and it was supposed to be like Air Force Ones and Jordans and whatnot, Yeezys even possibility, and I got the three pairs of the same shoes, 2 of them being red and 1 being yellow, and they were literally like shoes I've never seen in my life before. So a couple times I've been ripped off on Facebook as far as not getting products or quality service that you deserve when you're shopping and spending good money. So here we go. This one here is my top. So here's, again, smile. Smile. I love it. I mean, I have not stopped smiling since I've got these. And when you first get them, I will tell you, you'll have a little bit of a lisp. You're going to have to relearn to talk again because you do have something covering your teeth. I mean, look at the quality of this. Look. All my teeth are there. They're in there. It's amazing. Not even joking. I mean, look, I can't take the smile off my face. I love seeing that smile. And I don't even care that they're veneers, that they're not like my real teeth, because guess what? They're in my mouth. They're not going anywhere. They're like my real teeth. And you can eat with them. I mean, I wouldn't suggest eating hard food, but you can eat like chicken nuggets, mac and cheese, potatoes. I've had wings. I mean, they're amazing products. And the only reason I'm doing a video to put out on the web to show everybody is because they brought me out of a deep depression. I didn't want to go in public. I didn't want to show people my teeth. And when I did go out, I was tight-lipped. I wouldn't, you know, smiling like, hey, you know, just hiding your teeth, you know. Don't want nobody to see it. It's embarrassing. And not only that, chewing. It's like trying to chew with missing teeth back there is like, it's crazy. It's horrible. So again, thank you, Pop On Veneers. I hope this review is good for you guys, and I hope that you continue on reaching out and helping other people out in the world, because look at this. I can't stop smiling. You put a permanent smile on my face. Screw being Pop On Veneers, be permanent smile. Rock on, guys. You're the best. I love your customer service, and I'll tell you what, hopefully you help a lot more lives. See y'all later.